In today's video, I'm going to teach you highlight negative numbers in red Google Sheets for financial tracking. If you are using Google Sheets to manage expenses, income, or other financial data, making negative numbers stand out clearly can make your spreadsheet much easier to read. A simple custom number format can instantly draw attention to losses, overspending, or negative balances by displaying them in red. It also gives your sheet a cleaner, more professional financial look. To begin, select the cells that contain your financial data. This might include expense totals, profit and loss figures, account balances, or net income values. Make sure you highlight only the range you want to format, because the custom style will apply to every selected cell. If your sheet contains a mix of financial and non-financial information, taking a moment to select the right cells carefully will help keep everything organized. Once those cells are selected, go to the top menu and click Format, then Number, and then Custom Number Format. This option lets you control exactly how values appear without changing the actual numbers stored in the cells. That means your formulas and calculations will still work normally, while the display becomes more useful for financial tracking. In the Format field, enter this exact code, $, pound sign, comma, pound sign, $0, semicolon, open bracket red, close bracket, open parenthesis, $, pound sign, comma, pound sign, $0, close parenthesis, semicolon, $0. This format does three things at once. Positive numbers will appear as standard dollar amounts. Negative numbers will appear in red and inside parentheses, which is a common accounting style. And zero values will display as a simple $0, keeping the sheet visually consistent and easy to scan. After entering the code exactly as shown, click Apply right away. Your selected cells will update to reflect the new formatting. Positive values will stay neutral, while negative values will stand out clearly in red, making it easier to spot financial issues at a glance. If you are reviewing budgets or tracking monthly performance, this small formatting change can save time and reduce mistakes when reading your data. It's especially useful for dashboards, summaries, and shared reports where quick visual clarity matters. That's it. With just a custom number format, you can make your Google Sheets financial tracking more readable, more polished, and much easier to monitor.